Hello, future estate owners. I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Takla, and I am here in the Florence, located at Florence Way, Mckinley Hill, Taguig. The Florence has 3 towers with 22 to 28 floors, and it comes with a 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, and 3 bedroom unit. The good thing about this project is the only gated garden condominium of Mega World in the entire McKinley Hill. For today's touring, I will show you one of our units here. So let's go! Hello everyone! For today's, I'm going to show you a 2 bedroom unit here in the Florence. So let's go. As we enter to the unit, on my right side is the kitchen area. So by the way guys, the size of this unit is 66.9 square meters. So this is your kitchen area. We delivered 4 burner cooktop, oven, and of course the under-counter, over-counter cabinets, granite countertop, and stainless steel sink. And from here, you have the access to the utility area. Have a tiny toilet and bath here. So now let's proceed in the living area. So this is your living area. We delivered a video intercom, which you have direct access to the lobby. So if you have visitors, you can see them from here. And this area is where you can put your television, and this one is where you can put your sofa bed. And then we also delivered a split type aircon, smart inverter. And from here, you have access to the balcony. Orange building is the Venice Luxury Residence. And now let's proceed in the bedroom. So this is the small bedroom. So we also have window here which you can slightly open. And here in the bedroom, we also delivered a split time aircon and built-in cabinet. Now let's proceed in the master's bedroom. So here is your master bedroom. So as you can see, we have floor-to-ceiling glass, which give you a natural lighting in the morning. So from the master's bedroom, you have access to the balcony. So we have 2 balconies. And we also have a good view from here. We have the view of the BGC and the Venice Luxury Residence. And in the master's bedroom, we also have your own toilet and bath. And this is his shower with half glass partition. And of course, we also have your separate toilet and bath here. So we delivered a total of 3 toilet and bath here into bedroom. That's the end of our tour. Again, I'm your property specialist, Ms. Jessica Takla. If you want to view the actual unit, Feel free to message me on the details shown on your screen. Bye!